near Nathan's, there was a place called the Shvits. Do you know what a Shvits is? A Shvits is a place that you go to where you want to sweat it out. You go in for a massage, and it's like a sauna is today with a massage. Well, those were Schwitzes in those days. And we used to go there, and we used to stay there overnight. We used to go in, I forget what it costs now, and we used to take all our clothes off, and we'd have a sheet that we put around us. And we used to go in for what they called a Swedish massage. We did this sometimes when we were a little inebriated from drinking too much. We used to go there to sweat it off. So we used to go there, and we went to into the Schwitzes, used to sweat it off. We used to go into this Swedish massage, and they would hit you with leaves and stuff and things, and we would love it. And then we would go in to sleep the night away. And they would give us these little cots, I remember it to this day, with a canvas bottom. It's an unfolding cot with canvas bottoms, and it would have like 50 or 60 of them laid out in this big room, and you would go lie down there and sleep, and sometimes sleep the night away. But these cots were used so much and so often by very heavy men that they sagged in the middle. So I like to sleep on the edge of a bed. So when you try to go to the edge I remember this. So when you try to go to the edge of the bed, you would roll back into the middle all the time. Well, anyway, I would go there with my friends. We would take a Shvitz, and we would walk around nude with a robe on. And there were women that would give you pound the leaves on you and give you the massages. And then in the morning, you would get up, and there was breakfast there. We'd go into, and I tell you, it was a wonderful time. And here we were, two young kids going there, sweating it off, having a good time, kibitzing and laughing. And we would go in, have breakfast, and go home. And that's part of our lives, and we would have a wonderful time.